This is Daryl Dixon, Daryl Dixon. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. Watch out for them walkers. Run that intro. Hey, you heard Daryl Dixon say, welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. And we're going to ride over to Mount Cheoh Harley Davidson. No, the dealership formerly known as Mount Cheoh Harley Davidson. Our hog chapter's doing a charity ride, a cookout. I don't know what we're doing. Yeah, so let's get over there. I'll tell you about it. Oh, shoot. Hey, how y'all doing? So, let's get out here good straight. Man, the wind blew through their tree, or limb off of the tree, or half of the tree or something. You can't see it because it's too far away. Yep. Yeah. I don't know. What's up, Nona Grace? I see you finally got to go eat ice cream, ride motorcycles and eat ice cream. Can't go wrong with that. Thumbs up. Alright, hello everybody. How y'all doing? I done said all that. Ooh, somebody left a spun out right there at the stop sign. That's what it says. Spin tire on pavement. Wasn't me. So, we going over to the dealership formerly known as Mount Cheoh Harley Davidson. See what we can get into today, I guess. It's 9:26. I should be over here by 9:26. Had a full tank of gas and all day to do it in. A lot of 74 degrees at 9:26 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. That's a tree limb or something off the road. Yeah, the little thunderstorm rode through for about 10 minutes yesterday. Power blinked once but never went off. That's a good deal. I'm surprised because usually every time the wind blowed and rained, power would go off. So I guess they got the power line cleaned off and all, you know, what's not meaning what am I not? Alright, well, let's get on over there and well, let's see what we're doing is, I don't know, one thing says we're cooking, and there said that somebody else having a ride there, and we having a ride there, and a charity ride there, and another charity ride. Y'all need to get your act together. You can't have so many charity rides and people cooking for charity, and, you know, we cook hot dogs and hamburgers. And, yeah. Well, welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel. Ooh, more debris. I just hit it. Running an intro, and I might make a little short clip. Nah, I probably won't. I ain't gonna do that. I just forget about it. Well, we made it over here at 9:04. Come on, car. And IHOP. A lot of people in the hotel rooms. Well, see what's going on over here. Alright, well, this is the ride. Getting lined up. The power booth out there in the sun. Just a small group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of us, 9. 9 or 10. Alright, GoPro, start recording. Well, we get that going. You all at voicemail? Yep.
I've never seen that bike at JTI.
I don't want to leave it up there. I'm gonna pull out here. Alright, here we go. So the guy behind me it's his wife that lost the thing, and he was telling me she went for a ride by herself. He was on the road because he drives the same people I do, and he got the call. So the guy just ran all over, completely ran over, and it lost her leg, arm, broke her back, neck, the chest plate deal, whatever that's called, spleen, I think. No. Anyway, it was a bad deal. Yep, very bad. So we're gonna ride to the Shack in Talladega, Stedman. It's kind of Talladega, Corporal area, just across the river, Coosa River. So yeah, we'll get down there. Whew. GoPro, stop recording. So we about down here to Stemley Station, the Shack or Shack BBQ, Shack BBQ. Yep. They used to have pretty good barbecue because this used to be my old stomping ground. Ain't been on Highway 34 in a long, long time, but that's the road that runs from Hell City to Talladega. Yep, they used to have pretty good barbecue. And right up here, there's Stemley Station area. There used to be a little shack. There used to be a Stemley Station gas station. Restaurant, but Stemley Bridge Restaurant or something like that. Yep. That's what they built. Look at this. What is this? Family Dollar and Dollar Tree all in one store. What tomfoolery is that? What a pothole. Oh, gone. I hear you, Mark. Park out there in the shade, in the grass. It's his wife that had the accident. He's the one that rides with us. I'll be driving for JTI. There's somebody's driveway. So this is the shack. Always hickory smoked, and it was. It's like the barbecue I grew up with. Next time we want barbecue, we'll have to come back over here. We're gonna turn up here. Stemley Station. I thought they was all coming, but I guess not. Avengers Plus. Alrighty. Alright, so I guess that's about all we gonna do. We'll head back to the dealership. I'm gonna get me some oil. Hope we don't run into that range shower right there. Maybe not. Well, we'll see. It looks like it could pour down any minute now. See the bobber in the truck? That's pretty neat. Excuse me, that's what I said. That barbecue real good. Baked beans real good. Onion rings real good. They even gave us a cake because it's the 40th anniversary of the Shack being open. 40 years of barbecue Shack being open. That's something to write home about for sure nowadays. But you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. And we'll see if we can't find some more barbecue to eat somewhere. Later.